Oh, what do we have here? Looks like someone left their toy behind. Fancy little bird you are. Wonder if you still got some juice left in ya. Come on now, don't be shy. There's got to be an on switch somewhere on this contraption. Ha! There we go, little fella. Let's see what you can do.
Look at you go! Faster than a desert hawk and twice as graceful. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh no, little bird, hang on there. I'm gonna get you down somehow.
There we go, little fella. A few scratches never hurt nobody.
Well, folks, that's how you make a friend in the desert. Sometimes the best adventures are the ones that find you.